Shivanasamudra Falls is a cluster of waterfalls on the borders of Malavali, Mandya and Kollegala, Chamarajanagar, in Karnataka, situated along the river Kaveri. The falls form the contour between the districts of Chamarajanagar and Mandya. The Bharachukki Falls in Kollegala, with a height of 69 meters, and the Gaganachukki Falls in Malavali, with a height of 90 meters, collectively form the Shivanasamudra Falls. Peaceful place to visit during monsoon season and has more attractive places on the go. India's first hydroelectric power station is located at the waterfall and is still functional. Citation needed. This station was commissioned by the Diwan of Mysore, Sir K. Seshadri Iyer. The power generated here was initially used in Kolar gold fields. The Shivanasamudra Falls is on the Kaveri River after the river has found its way through the rocks and ravines of the Deccan Plateau and drops off to form waterfalls. 2. The island town of Shivanasamudra divides the river into twin waterfalls. This creates the fourth largest island in the course of the river. Citation needed. A group of ancient temples is located here and there likely was a village. A common misconception about these waterfalls is that the left segment is called Gaganachukki and the right segment is called Bharachukki. In reality, the Bharachukki Falls, 4, are a few kilometers to the southwest of the Gaganachukki Falls. 5. This is due to the Kaveri River itself splitting a few kilometers to the south into western and eastern branches. 6. The western branch results in the twin waterfalls of Gaganachukki, whereas the eastern branch results in the Bharachukki Falls. The Bilagiri-Rangana Hills or Bilagiri-Rangan Hills is a hill range situated in Chamarajanagar district in southwestern Karnataka, at its border with Tamil Nadu, Erode district, in South India. The area is called Biligiri Ranganatha Swami Temple Wildlife Sanctuary or simply BRT Wildlife Sanctuary. 2. It is a protected reserve under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Being close to the Eastern Ghats as well as the Western Ghats, the sanctuary has floral and faunal associations with both regions. The site was declared a tiger reserve in January 2011 by the government of Karnataka, a few months after approval from India's National Tiger Conservation Authority. 3. Sri Biligiri Ranganathaswamy Temple is the famous temple of Lord Ranganatha or Lord Venkatesha, which is situated on the highest peak of the Biligiri Ranga Hills. This hill belongs to the Chamarajnagar district of Karnataka state, located 82 km from Mysore and 175 km from Bangalore, situated in a southern part of Karnataka. Biligiri Rangana Hills, also called Biligiri Rangana better in the local language, Kannada, is famous for hill area with beautiful scenery. Sri Biligiri Ranganathaswamy Temple situated on the White Cliff, which gives the hill its name. The local form of the deity is called Biligiri Ranga and is depicted in a unique standing position. There are idols of Ramanuja and Alvars installed in the temple. Next to the Ranganathaswamy Temple is the Mahalakshmi Temple. Now we head towards our next place, that is K. Gudi. K. Gudi Wilderness Camp, located in the Biligiri Rangana Hill, BR Hill, Karnataka, is a unique blend of wildlife sanctuary and hill station. Set 3,500 feet above the sea level, the hills are interspersed with valley, stream and the place of breathtaking scenic beauty. It is a heaven for a variety of wild animals and birds, making it a must-see for those who love the pristine beauty of wilderness. India's most wanted brigand Veerappan with his trademark handlebar moustache once roamed these forests. K. Gudi Wilderness Camp takes pride in its rich wildlife. The deciduous, evergreen and grassland vegetation is a safe haven for a variety of species. Commonly cited animals are gores, spotted deer, wild boar and elephants. You can even spot leopards and sloth bears. If you are lucky, you can see the majestic tiger. The sanctuary is home to more than 270 species of birds, including the scarlet minivet, velvet-fronted nuthatch, gold-fronted chloropsis, lorikeet, and Malabar whistling thrush. We have successfully completed Shivan Samudra, BR Hills, K. Gudi, and we are all set to cover the majestic Himavadha, Gopala Swami Betta.
வாய்மொழியும் எந்தன் தாய்மொழியும் இன்று வசப்படவில்லையடி. வயிற்றுக்கும் தொண்டைக்கும் உருவமில்லா ஒரு உருண்டையும் உருளுதடி. காத்திருந்தால் எதிர்பார்த்திருந்தால் ஒரு நிமிஷம் வருஷம்.
Himawad Gopalaswamy Better is a hill located in the Chamarajanagar district of the state of Karnataka, at a height of 1,454 meters above the sea level, located about 220 kilometers from Bangalore and 80 kilometers from Mysore and very near to Bandipur National Park. Himawad Gopalaswamy Better is a famous tourist destination place which boasts the Benu Gopalaswamy Temple, Lord Krishna, on top of the hill. Dense fog predominates and covers the hills round the year and thus gets the prefix Himawad, in the native language of Kannada, and the temple of Venu Gopalaswamy, Lord Krishna, gives the full name of Himawad Gopalaswamy Better. This place feels like a hill station. One will witness large part of thick forest surrounding the hill. Elephant herds roam around the temple during night time. It is also the highest peak in the Bandipur National Park. It lies in the core area of the Bandipur National Park and is frequented by wildlife including elephants.
பேச்செல்லாம் தாலாட்டு போல என்னை உறங்க வைக்க நீ இல்லை. தினமும் ஒரு முத்தம் தந்து காலை காஃபி கொடுக்க நீ இல்லை. விழியில் விழும் தூசி கண்ணை நகல் எடுக்க நீ இங்கு இல்லை. மனதிலே குழப்பம் கண்டு தீர்க்க நீ எங்கே இல்லை. நான் எங்கே நீயும் அங்கே. இந்த தனிமையில் நிமிஷங்கள் வருஷமானதேனோ. வான் எங்கே நீயும் அங்கே. இந்த உவமைக்கு இருவரும் விளக்கமானதேனோ.
The temple's vantage position on top of the hill provides sweeping views of the rest of Bandipur National Park. Elephants are frequently sighted in its vicinity, as are other residents of the wildlife sanctuary. Therefore, visitors are prohibited from wandering in the surrounding areas for safety and environmental reasons. However, the view from atop the hill is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will truly take your breath away. You are also advised to not carry any plastic objects while visiting Himawad Gopalaswamy Temple, Bandipur. If you are feeling peckish, there are multiple stalls nearby that serve delicious street fare. While visiting Bandipur, Gopalaswamy Temple should definitely be on your itinerary. Devotees can come to seek solace and contentment, architecture enthusiasts can visit the shrine to admire its beauty and longevity, and nature lovers can come to embrace the gorgeous views of Bandipur Tiger Reserve and National Park. On your visit, stay at the Siree, Bandipur, and let the resort treat you to a getaway of fine luxuries and comfort.
ஒரு வாசமில்ல கிளையின் மேல் நறுவாசமுள்ள பூவைப் பார். பூவாசம் அதிசயமே.
Bandipur National Park, second highest tiger population in India. Bandipur National Park is located in Gundlupet Taluk, Chamarajanagar district. Park is the part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, making it largest protected area in southern India and largest habitat of wild elephants in South Asia. Bandipur National Park shares its boundary with three other national parks, namely Nagarhole National Park, Wayanad National Park and Mudumalai National Park. There is ban of traffic from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. of dusk to dawn to help to draw down the death rate of wildlife. Tigers, Indian elephants, leopard, dole, sambhar, sloth bear, cheetal. Many more animals and birds can be spotted in the Bandipur National Park. As you enter the town of Bandipur, you will be greeted by the majestic wildlife sanctuary that spreads across 874 square kilometers. The Bandipur National Park is home to some of the most exotic and endangered species of wildlife such as tigers, elephants, sloth bears, and Indian gaurs. It's a nature lover's paradise, where you can embark on exciting jungle safaris to witness these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. Apart from the wildlife sanctuary, Bandipur also offers a plethora of adventure activities that cater to all age groups. You can explore the rugged terrain of the Nilgiris on a trek or indulge in some adrenaline-pumping activities like rock climbing, river rafting, and zip lining. The town also offers a unique opportunity to witness the local way of life by visiting the nearby tribal villages, where you can interact with the friendly locals and learn about their customs and traditions. If you are looking for a more laid-back experience, Bandipur has plenty to offer in terms of relaxation and rejuvenation. The town is dotted with serene resorts and cozy homestay that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and forests. We had spotted many elephants, deers and wild boar, and one mother elephant was helping its baby elephant to cross the road. While seeing this, we remember our school's days where our mother helps us to cross the road. She was chasing the cars to make way for her baby elephant to cross the road. Masinagudi is an experience no wildlife enthusiast should ever miss. A captivating hill station on the Nilgiri Mountains, Masinagudi is a part of the Mudumalai National Park situated on the road that connects Mysore and Ooty. A safari through the forests of Mudumalai reveals the lush flora that includes bamboo, rosewood, turmeric, wild ginger, cinnamon, pepper and many more. To see the forests in bloom, one must visit the forests during the monsoon season when the deciduous trees shed their leaves. The wide range of fauna in these forests makes it an exciting retreat for nature lovers and photographers. Leopards, Bengal tigers, hyenas, jackals, sloth bears, elephants, langur, macaque, sambhar deer, gaur, wild boar, pythons, flying lizards and many more can be spotted while you are on a jeep safari through this terrain. Bird watchers are also assured of a delightful experience since the forest is home to many avian species including the grey-headed bulbul, woodpeckers, hornbills, Nilgiri wood pigeon, cuckoo, thrush, owl and many more. A jeep safari through this undisturbed forest and boating through the Moyar River situated nearby is enough to fill a nature lover's heart. The Moyar River is a tributary of the Bhavani River situated 7 kilometers from Masinagudi and is known for its picture-perfect surroundings. The other tourist spots nearby are the Paikara Falls, the Maravakandi Dam and the Thepakadu Elephant Camp. The Maravakandi Dam was built in 1951 and is the primary water resource for the Moyar hydroelectric powerhouse. It is surrounded by lush trees and distant mountains, and is a serene spot which animals around the region visit, mostly during early morning hours, to quench their thirst.
பத்து விரல் கோலம் போட